What's up? This is Ganondorf. It's Friday, June 28th. Yesterday we had some nice movement in the markets. I haven't been super on top of my YouTubes because I've been busy trading and yeah. But today, probably not going to be trading. I'm just holding a current trade with a call in AMD. So I'll just be managing that trade and seeing when to get out or. Oh, yeah, that's the plan. Find an exit today. Um, but just to recap a lot of things. Since I haven't been at the charts, um, I took some longs on Nasdaq this week. In this on Wednesday, all were scratch trades, and I was anticipating that this would come just a little bit deeper. Didn't, and I missed out on that trade. But I already had a long swing in the ES, so I already had exposure to that anyways, um, since they're obviously correlated. And then I caught a trade in the Russell yesterday into here. Initially took a loss, tiny loss, and then um, got out here mostly. So great trade. Um, Obviously, overnight, this is really ripped during the presidential debate. If you look here at the indices, they all rallied overnight. I exited my swing and my ES, so only trades I have left are crypto longs. My USD peso trade got stopped out. That was half size, so small loss there, and lots of big wins. Well, not lots of big wins. One really big win on the RTY Russell, and the ES swing wasn't super highly profitable. I had, for some reason, the swaps for my prop account were really high. They've been changing those, so red flag for me, but got out here last night during the debate since this was my target and didn't like how we were heading into it overnight and leaving a gap and then possibly having a catalyst at PCE this morning to reject, and looks like we kind of are. What I really want to see for continuation in the markets is starting to look pretty good, but I really want to see the DXY continue further down. It keeps just chopping its way up, failing to displace. So to me, this is weak. This is looking not like it's going to keep continuing really strong. If it is, it's going to take out these highs and then reject again, and then if it's going to go up again, it's just going to take out that relative equal high area from earlier this beginning of the year. Was that the beginning of the year? Yeah. So yeah, I really want to see this reject. Obviously, there's relative equal highs here, so I could easily see this just breaking this low and then coming all the way back up, breaking these highs, and then finally moving next week. So yeah, the news PCE was meet expectations. Next week we have 4th of July, so that's on Thursday. But we also have, excuse me, PMI on Monday, and it looks like Jolts and Powell speaks on Tuesday. So it should be pretty volatile week. So I would expect next week to be a pivot area. Like, I feel like today we might not get a significant movement on a direction for the dollar. I think that this is just manufacturing liquidity here. It's going to break a low and range and break the high, and then next week maybe that's when that happens and we finally tank or something of the sort, because PCE did not give us, we were wanting to see a surprise on PCE to to give us the confidence that a big move was happening. Obviously, the market hasn't even opened, so we might still get it, but to see these all wick like this is like, to me, this is like relative equal high sweep. That's exactly what we did here. If you look here, boom, boom, sweeps liquidity, and then big move down. So to me, this is like the exact same fractal setup. Doesn't need to, but it just seems likely since I was already waiting. If you look on the 4 hour, this is the area we're looking to reject. It's been the plan the whole week. The Dow retraced into a discount, or a premium, I mean, to get short. So it has, these have all reached reasons, they all have reasons to sell off now, if they're going to continue down. And then also the flow on SPY was, the net flow is very bearish, whereas the market tide was bullish. So that's not a good sign here. We have relative equal highs into a fair value gap. So, and it's rejecting, so that's a short setup. So if anything, they may be missing out on a short trade here. But yeah, right now I'm not super confident. Excuse me. In shorts, because we haven't had a daily confirmation to get short. The highest time frame, well, we do, except, sorry, we do have one on the Dow. What is going on? Are these all, is this not on regular? I didn't realize that these were all, whatever, we'll fix that later. But anyways, yeah, the Dow has reason, but on the only time frame, which is a time frame to really pay attention to, is the 4 hour. But yeah, I think this could easily, looks like it could easily be a setup short for these equal lows, and then maybe come all the way back up. Who knows? Same thing with NASDAQ. May need a deeper discount here. Dow Jones just is the cleanest for a short, but I'd want a deeper premium to get short. We've already met it. This would have been the short entry here, but I don't like how it's I just don't like shorting into the bottom of a range. I want to short up in here if I'm going to short, just because it seems like this could, come down and come all the way back up, and I want to hold this. I want to be in a safe long-term short here. That's why. So I'm just going to wait for more clarity, especially because this swept these highs like for the setup and then just failed. So I would have liked to see continuation there. So yeah, just going to stay out. Hopefully on AMD we can get out for at least a break even. I could have got out for a profit yesterday, but I was wanting to take this high out, and it didn't do that until after hours, or pre-market, whatever. So could have gone out, decided, you know what, worst case, I may be able to just get out break even, because we're at least going to stay in this area, is what I was thinking. So yeah, that's the plan. If dollar, this is what I think may happen here. The dollar hopefully can come and take this low out, and that may be when to get out, since it could just chop back up here. That'd be conservative, which would coincide with, AMD isn't completely correlated with the dollar, obviously, but that would be the risk, like the risk way to do it, since if the dollar turns bearish, these may at least come back a little higher. So yeah, it looks pretty bearish though. What else is going on? Anything else? We gotta get the Russell. Oh, Russell holding up strong. Russell's the play now. I do want to see today's candle close green. So next week, I think this is going to be offering some great trades. Yeah, so just looking for a discount on this candle, hopefully. If it comes back down on like Monday and just completely discounts this candle, then that won't be good. If it like closes, so what I'll be looking for is a pullback using this candle as the, let's see here. Yeah, this thing is just going. We'll just have to wait and see and do another analysis on it. But yeah. So yeah, there's a little just quick review of my trades this week. My plan for today. Actually, I still need to do some videos for just some more detailed reviews about my actual trades. Same with covering AMD, my Russell trade, my NASDAQ break-evens, and my ES long. So I want to do videos for each of those trades, and that way I've got them documented. And then, yeah, done for the week. I have stuff to do later today. So that's kind of, yeah.